Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review slash unboxing of the Chinese New Year Glamglow. Without further ado, let's get started.
I'll take any excuse.
Just when I let my guard down, it's like you ain't even around. I just take a cool sip and lose myself into the sound. Just when I let my guard down, it's like they ain't even around. Just let me take a cool sip so I can finally let.
Okay, so right over here we have the Glamglow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. It is a 2019 Gold Limited Edition from Glamglow. So they strictly made this box for Chinese New Year, and it is very beautiful, and it is a gold mask. And look at that packaging. It's very beautiful. It's very Chinese New Year vibe, and I like it. And it says here too, let me see, it says here instant firming, lift, tight and tone, and sexy contours. Includes application brush. It says here it includes the application brush inside, which is a really good idea, because I mean I don't need one because I already have an application brush for mud mask, but it also helps to have an extra one. It says here, Gravity Mud Firming Treatment is an out-of-this-world instant tightening and toning treatment. The innovative formula peels off to leave the skin feeling tight and more lifted. Mega targeted ingredients work together to help skin contour feels firmer and look more defined. Gravity Mud will give you a super sexy skin in an instant. Let's go ahead and open it, and it says, as always, with all of the boxes that they have, it will always say, "Hello, sexy." It's kind of like, I think, a confident booster. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Even the container is gold. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. So, this is what it looks like. Alright. Aw! It's kind of like bent, like as you can see. Well, it doesn't matter. I don't care about like the packaging, but that sucks. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Gold. Oh my goodness. It has a very strange smell that I'm not really a big fan of. But the color is beautiful. It is very gold and liquidy. And so let's go ahead and try what it feels on the skin. I don't like the smell. I just realized I forgot to take off my makeup. So I'll be right back, and I'm going to take off my makeup. So I am going to use this cleansing oil right now and just wipe off my foundation and my makeup. Like, all I need to wipe off is like my foundation. So since I cannot find my own applicator for the mask, I'm going to use the one that they include. This is the brush that is included in the box. It is very cute and very soft. So let's go ahead and apply our mask, but before that I'm going to put my handy dandy hairband. Okay, so now that we have a very clean face, I have smeared my golden mask. Let's go ahead and apply it. They said a generous amount, so let's go ahead and apply it. Oh no. Am I applying a generous amount? Like, I don't like putting too much. No. It's so gold. Ooh! My goodness. It's like the smell is bothering me a lot. I really don't like the smell. I don't know why. It makes me kind of like a little bit of like want to puke or something like that. Sorry. Sorry for the word, but it does make me feel like I want to puke because of the smell. I'm very, very sensitive to smell. Oh god, I don't like smell. I don't know what, I cannot describe the smell. It is a very chemically scent though. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Does it have any tingling feeling on my face? It kind of does. Is it because I did not clean my face properly? Like, is that why? Or is it because I have so much breakout on my face? Ooh, look at me. It looks a bit bright on the camera. I don't know why, but it is very golden in person. Maybe I just have to adjust my lighting because I do have my brightness set to... Now this is very difficult because I have a very, 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 very short like gap between my hairline, like on my forehead. Like, see? It's very tiny. So let me go ahead and apply in the middle. I have to peel this off, so I do have to make it thicker, but I don't know how thick should I make it to be in order for me to be able to peel it off. I forgot. Did I forget to mention how much this product is? If I did, I apologize. So it says we have to wait 20 to 30 minutes. I do have a very, very golden face right now. I have to say it looks really beautiful. So let me go ahead and change the settings because right now it's very bright. It doesn't really show that color that I see in person. Okay, so I think that's a little bit better. You can kind of see the gold color of the mask. It does have a very cooling and tingling sensation on the face. Does it hurt? No, it doesn't, but I think it's because I didn't wash my face. Usually that happens with me if I apply mask and I did not wash my face like with water or with soap or anything like that, and I just cleanse it with an oil or a cleansing product like this one, and I apply a mask on top of that. Usually I do get that very tingling feeling. I do hope it does not react badly with this mask because I was just being lazy, and I hope it does not bite me in the ass later on. Okay guys, so it has been around 25 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel. I did apply some more, that's why some of them are still wet, but whatever, right? Oh, like that one, you see? It's like still wet. Still wet, but I gotta peel it off now. So let's go ahead and leave that and let's move around. Well, it's not that painful. Like, I would expect it to be like painful, but it's not. Okay. Alright, so like I said, this one is still a little bit wet. You can see it is. Does it have any of my blackhead? It doesn't. It doesn't really, but this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it is gold. So let's go ahead and on my face, it does feel a little bit like tighter, so that's for sure. But you do have to be careful to not put on your hair like that. It's so difficult for me because like the gap between my hair and my eyebrows is like so short, as you can see. The product is good and I can feel like the tightening feeling on my face. It feels really, really nice. My face feels like, it doesn't feel like moisture. I understand because it's not part of the like the mask. It didn't say like, oh, it's gonna help your face feel moisture. With this kind of mask, you have to regularly use it in order to actually see results. But so yeah, I love it. I am not disappointed. And will I buy this product again? Definitely yes, I will buy this product again. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!